Okay, yes, it's that. Alright, happy birthday! You should sing it louder, 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 come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow, happy birthday, Kuya Pao. Kuya Pao, happy birthday.
Thank you all so much, 18. It's so nice to be working while celebrating your birthday. Thank you so much. Nababasa ko yung mga messages mo na gusto nyo. I'm just so blessed to be able to be on this stage with these guys, together with our team, everyone who have been supporting us. Ang saya lang mag-celebrate habang may concert, habang kasama kayo personally sa Hong Kong. Sana sa next birthday ko kasama ko ulit kayo. Merong handaan. Papabuffet si Kuya Josh.
Right, happy birthday, of course, kay Kuya Pablo. Yes, right? Kuya. I just want to say thank you, of course, to everyone who came here today. And why are you smiling, man? Why are you smiling? I just want to say thank you.